YouTube, here goes 690 out of San Juan Capistrano. Count for 690, please. Oh, there's 2 bicycle cars on this train. Woo! Doubleheader on that one. Nice. Oh, doubleheader. Oh, her train there goes all the way north to LA. Hey, why is it still going? Hey YouTube, here comes southbound train. I don't know what that is, but sorry, please excuse the pole in the way. Please excuse the pole in the way. Here comes, what train is this? Amtrak by 72? Hey. Oh, no, it's a Metrolink! Oh my gosh! 861? I think this horse could make us... Whoa! 627.
Oh, it's not Janfo.
Janfo?
Yeah, it's a Janfo.
Yeah, I figured it is. Woo! That was close! That was a close one! Here goes 861, chapter 688. And here's Fair the Padres. I decided to join Fair the Padres 411. And that's Capcur 656. What was that? Alright YouTube, here comes 573. It's San Juan Capistrano. Oh, the 698. I'm gonna move back from this one. Jeez, it's really loud. Whoa, this is coming very, very fast! Woo! Yeah! Whoa, 604. Sorry, I forgot to... Doubleheader! 459! And this is for you. Alright, YouTube, here goes 573 out of San Juan Capistrano. Shot. That's for you, Crazy Taxi 1000. That's for you, Crazy Taxi 1000. And that's for you, SD Railfan.
And me and Extreme Party Fan Andros 51.
And that's for you, Extreme Party Fan Andros 51. Alright, YouTube, here comes Amtrak train number 572. I decided to join Philip 401. How you doing, man?
I got it a year ago after my, luckily at Christmas, my old cell phone got wrecked at the time I was gone.
What engine do we have leading?
Never looked back.
I'll bet it was an accident.
What engine do we have leading?
I was like afraid of it, like, oh, it's so expensive, what if I wreck it? And now I'm okay, but I was worried. I never thought it was too expensive. And I text Manny and I thought, I'm going to phone.
It's 460.
I got used to it. I needed a year, so.
It is 460.
Gotta have an Amtrak ticket. Aboard this train, all aboard. Bye, Jillian. Happy birthday. Happy 9th birthday, Jillian.
Happy birthday! And here's Fair the Ponder. And here's Fair the Ponder's 401 getting the shot. Here's 34967 in surfletter colors. And 6951. It almost sounds like 6903.
Yeah. 69
I think-
is the best cop car in the world. I'm not going to call it that. Call your Amtrak after trying to get a horn show. That's for you.
This is for you, Chris Axelwood Felsen and Phil Padres 411.
Ladies and gentlemen, business class, last car of the train to your left.
It's 454. Honk! No horn!
Right, Crazy Taxi, he's a mean engineer.
Remember when you had that similar? Remember when that sperm was riding up? Remember that?
Hey, I got a horn show for arrival.
There goes all the way north to LA. Alright, so here comes the truck, train number 774. Might be coming by right now.
I gotta go now. The train's coming. Alright, or no, you just
I think 463 would be leading that.
Enrique now on the phone here. Enrique, you there? Alright, just narrate the video now.
It's 463 will be leading that.
Oh, this is what Jacob's dad's getting on this one. Down the
Yeah.
one.
Enrique, you there? I'm talking to you and walk up.
Here comes 463. Here it is. Well, it has an eval. Listen. Eval. 463 has eval. What do you 60 is Surfliner colors, and 68 is through. Oh, there goes Sunset for San Diego.